Hello there. So, what is ICMP? Basically, ICMP is the Internet Control Message Protocol. The Internet Control Message Protocol is a supporting protocol in the Internet Protocol Suite. It is used by network devices, including routers, to send error messages and optional information. So, here you look how can a host or server redirect ICMP. The Internet Control Message Protocol is a network layer protocol used by network devices to diagnose network communication issues. The ICMP is a protocol that devices within a network use. Now, let's have a look in IP scanner. Install IP scan to find out your IP. Here is IP range. Angry IP scanner install. Now you can start and scan IP for your web hacking. ICMP is an error reporting protocol also that network devices such as routers use to generate error messages. So you can find out IP now. Check that green marks. Here is your server, your IP, your Windows server, your IP, and your Windows server and IP. Now scan and check. Total time 2 minutes. Now give a command. Open your Windows command prompt. Now open your CMD and search. Just type ping, P-I-N-G. Here you look. One received lost. Now we have need nmap. So let's install nmap setup. Give all the tick mark. Just search Google nmap and you can find nmap, then download it and install it. Okay, complete Nmap. What is Nmap? How to use Nmap, a beginner's guide. Nmap is an open source network mapping tool developed by Jordan Leon. It is widely used as a port scanner and host discovery tool by network administrators and hackers worldwide. The reason for its popularity is that it allows users to perform powerful scans using a combination of small set of options. Using only these options, you can run effective and powerful scans by running specially scripted commands. But even if you are not familiar with Nmap, you can still use it by executing simple commands. These will also allow you to get a new food good scan result. However, if you want your scans to be more accurate, then you need to learn more about Nmap and how to use it correctly. This is what this post aims to do. Now come LDAP operation types. So, what is LDAP? Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. The Lightweight Directory Access Protocol is an open vendor natural industry standard application protocol for accessing and maintaining distributed directory information services over an internet protocol network. So its operation type, LDAP operation type, adds new enters directory server database, validates the authentication state and changes it from unbind abort outstanding operations and ends their connections, modify using information already stored in database, search and compare searches for entries based on their name, size, scope, type, and attributes. So this is how LDAP directory worked. Passed username, password, API, REST API service connected both username and LDAP directory. So here is the application, client and directory server, how it works. Application request and replay, directory client TCP, then it connected with directory server. Application sender, directory receiver. Then what you want, just give and replay this information to the application client. How LDAP works basically. So business application, LDAP directory connected with email service, user accounts, authentication, license management. Okay, now come to NTP. What is NTP? Network Time Protocol. NTP is a networking protocol for clock synchronizing between computer systems over packet switched variable latency data network. Stratum 0, Stratum 1 to Stratum 2, Stratum 3. Stratum 0 atomic GPS not connected to the internet. Stratum 1 connected to the Stratum 0 clocks, the first level of time servers, and Stratum 3, Stratum 2 reference the number of Stratum 1 servers, and NTP algorithm may drop a server if the network connection is poor. Stratum 3 and the lower stratum. So have a look. Authoritative clock source and all stratum 1 to stratum 3 have it connected with each other. Here first layer. What is NTP? Network time protocol used to keep clock within your nodes. Important for log files, transaction servers, various application position system, mobile phones like GSM transaction systems, time critical operations that needed to be statum labels, all the labels I lectured about previous slide. DCF double send receivers, LW radio carriers as reference, available at very low price from various places. GSM time reference uses GPS satellite. So here NTP client machines, Ethernet connection and user connected with the NTP server via one internet, then again one, then public NTP pool time server. Just have a look. Now come to SMTP. So what is SMTP? What is SMTP? Simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP server, every email client interfaces to send email, list of SMTP servers in transit, check the headers on your email. Why talk directly to SMTP server? Automation of emails in application without dependency, and other email client, real-time notification of status, wrong ID password, etc. So it's basically a simple mail transfer protocol for electronic mail transmission. Mail servers and other messages transfer agents use SMTP to send and receive mail messages. SMTP email, how it works: sender, a terminal, user agent, then send mails into message transfer agent, who is client, then connected to TCP collection, then again message transfer agent MTA server, then user mailbox, user agent, user a terminal receiver. So how the diagram is work, how the total work is finished, just have a look. Sender user terminal and receiver user terminal. Most internet systems use SMTP as a method to transfer mail from one user to another. SMTP is a push protocol and is used to send mail. See the process, SMTP process. SMTP client server, DNS server is sender. Then connected SMTP, MTA, then recipient. SMTP server mail stores. Okay, now come SNMP. What is SNMP? The Simple Network Management Protocol. SNMP is an application layer protocol that facilitates the exchange of management information between a network management system, agents, and managed devices. SNMP uses the Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, TCP or IP protocol suite. SNMP is a part of Internet Network Architecture. SNMP enables network administrators to manage network performance, find and solve network problems, and plan for network growth. It's actually a network management protocol. So SNMP is a framework that provides facilities for managing and monitoring network resources on the internet. Components of SNMP: SNMP agents, SNMP managers, management information bases, MIBS, and SNMP protocol itself. So here have a look. SNMP manager connected with SNMP agent, SNMP agent, SNMP agent. SNMP protocol message: the manager passed through the message. So what are SNMP traps? Simple network management protocol. SNMP is a protocol used for devices monitoring. Common SNMP enabled devices including routers, switches, servers, and modems. SNMP traps include information on alerts and problems. SNMP traps include the error time and an